What does the E3 error code on a Whirlpool washer mean?
Hello viewers! Today, we're going to discuss a common issue that many Whirlpool washer owners might come across, the E3 error code. We'll explain what it means and offer some troubleshooting tips. Let's dive in.
What is the E3 error code?
The E3 error code is a fault code that indicates an issue with your Whirlpool washing machine. Specifically, it points towards a problem related to the motor of the washer. It's an alert to let you know that the machine has detected something out of the ordinary.
Why does the E3 error occur?
There are several reasons why the E3 error might appear. 1. Overloading. Placing too many clothes into the washer can put excess strain on the motor. 2. Blocked drum. Sometimes, objects or tangled clothes can obstruct the drum from moving freely. 3. Faulty motor. The motor itself might be malfunctioning or nearing the end of its lifespan. 4. Faulty wiring or connections. There could be a problem with the wiring or connections leading to the motor.
How to troubleshoot the E3 error?
1. Check the load. Ensure that the washer isn't overloaded. Remove some items and try running the cycle again. 2. Inspect the drum. Look for any obstructions or tangled items that might be preventing the drum from rotating properly. 3. Reset the machine. Sometimes, simply turning off the washer and unplugging it for a few minutes can reset the system and clear minor electronic glitches. 4. Seek professional help. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time to call a technician. It's especially important if you suspect a problem with the motor itself or the washer's wiring. The E3 error code on a Whirlpool washer is a signal that there's an issue related to the machine's motor. While some causes can be easily addressed at home, it's crucial to consult with a professional if you're unsure or if the issue persists. We hope this video has shed light on this common washer problem. Stay safe and happy washing!